How to make a no-sew t-shirt face covering. Grab a t-shirt, scissors, and a ruler if you'd like, but it's not necessary. Your measurements can be approximate. Okay, so you want to cut off about 7 to 8 inches from the bottom of your shirt, but you'll adjust this based on your face size and shape, and of course the size of the t-shirt. So now your shirt is like a big tube, and when it's folded flat, it's a rectangle. Then cut out a smaller rectangle from one side of the shirt. You want to leave a little bit of a gap at the top and the bottom because you're going to use those little flaps to make strings to tie the face mask onto your face. Then flip over your face mask so you can snip those loops open and you can see the shape of the face covering. You'll tie the top strings up towards the very top and crown of your head. You'll tie the lower strings at the base of where your head meets your neck. And you'll adjust to make sure it fits your face. This is something great to try and make for yourself or someone in your family, and always make sure to wash it and keep it clean.